If you need to make a lot of angled cuts, a good miter saw can be a huge time saver, and it's easy to use, so your next DIY project will be a breeze. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, you'll want to secure the miter saw to your work surface using wood screws. After unplugging the saw, you should install the appropriate blade for the job. Mount the blade, then secure by adding and tightening the mounting bolt. Lock the blade locking pin and tighten the bolt again using the provided wrench. Finally, lower the blade guard and secure using a screwdriver. Now, measure and mark your boards using a speed square or straight edge, so the line across the stock is neat and visible. To make a straight cut or cross cut, plug the saw in, turn it on, then secure the stock against the fence using a clamp or brace by hand. Pull the handle down to check where the blade will meet the board. Adjust the board if needed, then clamp to secure it into position. Now, with the handle raised, pull the trigger to start the saw. Always allow the blade to reach full speed before slowly bringing the handle down to complete the cut. To make a miter or angled cut, you'll loosen the knob on the miter gauge, depress the lock handle, and pivot the blade to the desired angle. With the blade in the desired position, tighten the gauge knob to lock it into place. Then, lower the handle to check where the blade meets the wood. Adjust the board if needed, and make your cut. This allows you to cut across the width or face of your board. To make a bevel cut, place the board upright against the fence. This allows you to cut through the board's thickness. Adjust the miter gauge to the correct angle and lock it into position. Adjust the board, then secure with the clamp. Pull the trigger and lower the handle to make a bevel cut. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.